another way to debulk your crochet braid hair. And you have to remember, some of the hair requires separation before you install the hair, but you want to concentrate on your spacing. Your spacing is key to not having a huge amount of hair. As you can see, this is what your spacing should look like so that your hair does not become bulky. And I'm going to show you exactly how to put the hair down on the cornrow and insert your hook and bring that through so you have a pattern. As you see right here, this is a pattern you want to have for your spacing. So let me show you what you need to do. You take a strand of the crochet braid hair, take it over to the left side here, okay? You want to take it over, and then you want to go ahead and lay it onto the cornrow. And as you lay that down, you want to go ahead and invert your crochet braid hook. Invert the hook, put that hook through, and then you want to hold that and then go ahead and feed it through your cornrow, and then you go ahead and knot it. Now you see that is exactly how you want to do it. You can knot it once or you can double knot it. Depends on the hair. So we're going to go through this process slowly so you guys can see. You take the next piece of that strand and you want to invert it, put it through the cornrow, and see, feed that through and bring that right back up and over. Okay, see that? Then you want to go ahead and tie your knot. Okay, that is exactly how you do it. And then you go ahead and you continue to proceed on with the process. Queens, you want to continue this process until you get to the very top of her head, okay? Once you get to the top of the head, then you'll go ahead and fill in the top of the cornrow right here. Fill that in, and you want to have those not to be spaced out. You want to have those all together. Have them all together so that way that covers the rest of the back of the head.